Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood Bull Rogan, the one with horns, not the stressed Wall Street guy crying into his energy drink. Today we talk about that big word people use to sound smart at parties, blockchain. So what is blockchain? Think of it like a big notebook. But here's the twist. Everyone in the world has a copy of the same notebook. When you write something in it like, I gave you $10, it's written in all the notebooks at the same time. Nobody can erase it. It's permanent, like a tattoo, except instead of regretting your ex's name, you're stuck with a record of buying pizza in 2011. And people call blockchain trustless, which sounds weird. It means you don't trust a middleman, like a bank. Instead of your bank saying how much money you have, the blockchain shows it to everyone. Like Venmo, but public. Now the whole world knows you spent $17 on midnight nachos. That's what they call transparency. Think of blockchain like a giant group chat. Every message, every photo, every silly typo, nobody can delete it forever. But instead of memes, it's money, contracts, maybe even votes. Basically, it's humanity's permanent receipts. So yeah, blockchain is like a diary for all of us, written with a pen you can't erase and guarded by math nerds in hoodies. Weird? Yes. But it could change money, ownership, and how we trust strangers online. And if you're still confused, don't worry. So is everyone else. I'm your friendly neighborhood bull, and this is the pasture. And remember, in blockchain, nobody trusts anybody. And that's what makes it trustworthy.